Welcome to the Go Big with Gib podcast, where we talk to professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs about their big wins. Welcome back to this episode of Go Big with Gib. I'm your host, Gib Irons, and today we're tackling a make-or-break topic for every business owner: how to avoid cash flow collapse when scaling your business in 2025. You've probably heard the sobering statistic: up to 82% of businesses fail due to cash flow problems, not because they're unprofitable, but because they simply run out of cash. Scaling too fast is a major culprit. Let's unpack why this happens and share specific, actionable steps to keep your business on solid ground. In 2025, cash flow management is evolving with cutting-edge technology like AI forecasting, real-time payments, and blockchain. These aren't just buzzwords, they're game changers for businesses looking to grow smart. But first, let's understand why cash flow is so critical to scaling. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your business, the money flowing in from sales and out for expenses like payroll, taxes, and inventory. When you scale too quickly, say by opening new locations, launching products, or hiring a big team, your expenses can skyrocket before revenue catches up. This gap can drain your cash reserves, leaving you unable to cover bills and seize growth opportunities. Even profitable businesses can fail if they don't manage this delicate balance. So why do so many businesses stumble due to cash flow when scaling? Here are the main reasons. Number one, overexpansion. Growing into new markets or adding products without confirming demand, leading to high cost with little return. Number two, poor cash flow management. Not tracking cash inflows and outflows closely, especially as operations get more complex. Number three, lack of planning. Scaling without a clear business plan that accounts for increased cost and realistic revenue timelines. Number four, improper pricing. Failing to adjust prices to cover scaling costs, which squeezes profit margins. Number five, over-optimism. Assuming growth will happen faster than it does, leading to overspending. And number six, ignoring weaknesses. Not addressing inefficiencies or seeking expert help, which can drain resources. These pitfalls are especially relevant in 2025, where economic shifts and technological advancements demand agility and precision in financial management. Now let's talk about some actionable steps to manage cash flow. Specific steps that you can take to scale your business without running out of cash. These strategies blend the tried and true principles with 2025's latest trends. Number one, develop a robust business plan. Before scaling, craft a detailed plan with realistic financial projections. Include break-even points, expected returns, and buffers for unexpected costs. A solid plan is your roadmap to sustainable growth. Number two, leverage AI for cash flow forecasting. Using AI-powered tools to predict cash flow with precision. These tools analyze sales cycles, market trends, and historical data to spot potential shortfalls early. In 2025, AI is a must-have for proactive cash management. Number three, adopt real-time payments. Implement instant payment systems to speed up cash inflows. Real-time payments cut the wait time between sales and cash receipt, boosting liquidity for growth initiatives. Number four, test before committing. Run pilots or small tests before fully investing in new markets or products. This minimizes risk and preserves cash. Number five, centralize cash flow payment. Ditch scattered spreadsheets for integrated platforms that give a clear view of your finances. Centralized systems streamline tracking across departments or locations. Number six, set realistic growth targets to avoid overambition. Set achievable goals based on market research and grow your business capacity. Steady risk beats risky overexpansion. Number seven, improve collection processes. Speed up accounts receivable with incentives for early payments and strict credit policies. Late payments can choke cash flow, so stay proactive. Number eight, diversify revenue streams. Don't rely on one product or market. Test new opportunities cautiously to stabilize cash flow. Number nine, seek expert advice. Consult financial advisors or accountants experienced in scaling. Their insights can save you from costly mistakes. And number 10, document and automate processes. Ensure operations are efficient by documenting processes and automating where possible. This reduces errors and supports smooth scaling. Now let's bring this to life with a few real-world examples. Picture a small e-commerce business eager to open physical stores nationwide. side. They lease multiple locations, hire staff, and stock inventory all at once. If sales lag, they could burn through cash reserves fast. A smarter approach, open one store, test the market, and expand only if it's profitable. Or consider a software company that hires a large team to build a new product without validating demand. If the product flops, they're stuck with high salaries and no revenue. Testing the market with a minimum viable product first could have saved them. In 2025, cash flow management is about more than balancing books. It's about leveraging technology to stay ahead. AI, real-time payments, blockchain, and cloud systems are transforming how businesses operate. By adopting these tools, you can scale with confidence, not fear. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Go Big with Gib. If you're scaling or planning to, share this episode with fellow entrepreneurs. Let's keep building and break free from the rat race. Until next time, I'll see you then. Thank you for listening to this episode of Go Big with Gib. If you haven't already, go follow us on social media at Gib Irons. We'll see you next time.